Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Vale City, local and long-distance movers near me. Although long-distance shift sounds hectic, but only if you are doing everything by your own. As shifting involves various tasks, it's vital to hire an affordable but professional mover like 3 Movers. We have extensive team to handle your long-distance shifts and provide packing, unpacking, loading, unloading, and resettling of your belongings at most affordable price. To complete a long-distance shift, movers usually require certain permits and license, which is difficult to gather otherwise. But our moving firm is already certified and has good working relationship with local federal association. So, they have provided us with legal permits to cross state lines or country lines for an international shift. If you are moving locally, we would recommend you to hire a professional mover like 3 Movers. Our firm provides same-day shifting for local moves and try our best to cater the requirements made during the transit. And being the oldest moving firm, our movers have vast experience in handling any shortcoming during the transit. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Vale City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.